house tomorrow.
I didn't know Demetrius had a beach house.
Oh, neither did I until my lawyer found it. Quite the paper trail. He had it in the dog's name.
Well, tomorrow won't work. I'm having my body wrapped. Wednesday.
Health appointment in the morning, afternoon.
Shrink. Thursday.
I'm having injections. That kills Friday and Saturday.
Botox?
Butt fat.
Oh, does that really work?
I don't know. You tell me.
So, you and Rex.
As my private investigator puts it, we are going to nail his ass.
I've been trying to nail George's for years, but he is very careful.
So, who's your lawyer?
Freddie Bender. We have an appointment this afternoon with Rex and his schnauzer.
Who's Rex's guy?
Miles Massey.
Massey Morrison?
You know him?
By reputation in Maryland, he is no schnauzer. He got Phyllis run to that cute little island of Georgia.
George was so impressed he hired him when he divorced his second.
Muriel runs
Who
it.
is that?
Now, she's the night manager at McDonald's.
Oh my god, that's so tragic.
To make you love me.